Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can install Android TV on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your favorite browser. Here write down the google.com and here you can write down Android Studio. Here you can see this first link. Click on it. Now you can see here download Android Studio. This name will be changing time to time. It's right now it's Flamingo. Click here, but download Android Studio will be there always. Now click here download Android Studio. It will ask you an agreement. Click here agreement and click here download for Windows. Here you can see it's downloading right now. It will take some time to download completely. Here I will cancel here because I have already downloaded the whole file. Click here cancel. Now I have here file download in downloads. You can see this one. Open it. Run as an administrator. Now you can see the installation window has been started. Click here next. Click next. Here you can see it's a virtual device, Android virtual device, where we can install all the Android applications. Click here next. It's a destination folder. Click next and click install. It's installing. Now click here again next and click next to start Android Studio. Do not import or don't have any configurations. Click here OK. Click here don't send and here you can see it. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Now here you can see the Android applications. We can now click here accept. It will download all the applications. Here you can also write down the accept and it will install all these applications which we need to run the Android TV. Now click here finish. Now it's starting to download all these applications one by one. Now you can see the installation has been completed. Now click here more actions and SDK manager. Now you can see here that Android SDK, here a lot of options. I have checked these three and it have installed already these three applications for Android. So here I can click it may show you not installed, but you have to keep it checked and click OK. Then it will install all these three. I have already installed it, that's why it's showing installed. So click here OK and now I will click more actions and then I will click virtual device manager and now I should click here click virtual device and now you can see which category you want to download for this computer. Right now I am going to install TV, so I will click here TV and here it shows me some other options which you want to see, whether you want to see this resolution or you want to see this 1080 pixels. So I will choose this one and click next. Here it's showing different Android TV. Here the latest one is Google TV. So I will choose this first one and here it shows the HMAS is not installed. Click here install it first. Click next and it's done. Click OK. Now here we have to click on it and click accept and click next. It will install this Google TV, that's Android 11. It's huge, 718 MBs, so it will take time to download and then install. So we have to be patient and we need to wait until it finishes. Now the download has been completed. Now it's unzipping. Now it's finished. Now click finish and here you can see it is now installed, but here you can see it's again showing install HAS, but it's installed successfully. Click finish and click next. and make this uncheck, enable device framing uncheck here, and show advanced settings, and here you can see the graphics. It should be hardware graphics. Click here manual hardware, and the boot will be cold boot. And here you can see the internal storage. It should be in GBs. Let it be 15 GB, and RAM also in GBs. Let it be 4 GBs. And what else you need to have? Okay, that's it. Now here you can click finish. Now as you can see, it's now here Google Android TV. Now we can click this play button so that it will launch the Android Google TV. Click here. Now it's starting launching emulator. Click allow access. Now you can see it's launching. You can see the booting of this. Now here you can see you can add here account. Now we can see here the Android Google TV, and we can search here movies as well. Now this way you can see the movies, shows, apps. You can have all the entertainment you want to have. Click, for example, I want to see the YouTube here. Click enter, and it will launch the YouTube. Choose your account and click. Now you can watch any other things, and this way you can download and install Android Studio, and you can watch Android TV on your PC. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.